I was at home yesterday.
I was at home yesterday.
I was not at home yesterday.
I was not at home yesterday.
You were very kind last time.
You were very kind last time.
You were not very kind last time.
You were not very kind last time.
He was in the car.
He was in the car.
He was not in the car.
He was not in the car.
She was a good singer.
She was a good singer.
She was not a good singer.
She was not a good singer.
We were at the market.
We were at the market.
We were not at the market.
We were not at the market.
They were happy then.
They were happy then.
They were not happy then.
They were not happy then.
I was in the garden all afternoon.
I was in the garden all afternoon.
I was not in the garden all afternoon.
I was not in the garden all afternoon.
You were at the door a minute ago.
You were at the door a minute ago.
You were not at the door a minute ago.
You were not at the door a minute ago.
He was at the airport this morning.
He was at the airport this morning.
He was not at the airport this morning.
He was not at the airport this morning.
She was very quiet during the class.
She was very quiet during the class.
She was not very quiet during the class.
She was not very quiet during the class.
We were in the library after school.
We were in the library after school.
We were not in the library after school.
We were not in the library after school.
They were at the park yesterday evening.
They were at the park yesterday evening.
They were not at the park yesterday evening.
They were not at the park yesterday evening.
I was a child when I first saw snow.
I was a child when I first saw snow.
I was not a child when I first saw snow.
I was not a child when I first saw snow.
You were the first person to arrive.
You were the first person to arrive.
You were not the first person to arrive.
You were not the first person to arrive.
He was very tired after the journey.
He was very tired after the journey.
He wasn't very tired after the journey.
He wasn't very tired after the journey.
She was nervous before the exam.
She was nervous before the exam.
She was not nervous before the exam.
She was not nervous before the exam.
We were late for the train.
We were late for the train.
We were not late for the train.
We were not late for the train.
They were surprised by the news.
They were surprised by the news.
They were not surprised by the news.
They were not surprised by the news.